Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on RHEL 9 version. Okay, first open the default web browser, that is Firefox. I am on RHEL 9.7, but the installation process is same on all RHEL 9 versions. Open the Firefox, then go to Google or any search engine, then search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome, then select RPM. For RHEL, Fedora, OpenSUSE, AlmaLinux type operating systems, we have to select this .rpm package, then select accept and install. See, download started and its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo RPM -ivh -no deps, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter. For the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome version 142. See, this is just failed error, but we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See, here you have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to send automatically statistics and graphs reports to Google, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Then click on OK. I don't want to sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, this is the way to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on RHEL 9.7 or 9 operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.